Hey everyone, guess what I got? So as you can see, I got the Echo Show 5 and it's time to do some unboxing. So let's dig into this wrapper and see what's on the inside. Let's get this plastic off first. And there it is. That's the Echo Show 5 right there. Looks pretty small, but you know, this is just the box. Let's see what's on the inside. There it is right there, nice and small. It's pretty neat looking for an Echo device. So looking at the top of the device, you can see that it has a privacy switch to turn off the camera. It's got a volume up, volume down, 2 microphones, and a button to turn off the microphone. On the back, it has a power port, it has a USB port, and a headphone jack. And on the bottom, it just have a grill section for the ventilation, and it has a rubber feet. So this feet let it stay in place. And just pushing on it, you can tell that it's not going anywhere. So now I'm getting ready to power this thing on to see what it looks like when you power it on for the first time. So it started up with the Amazon logo, and now it's showing the Echo logo.
Hello, ready for setup.
So I've entered my password and now it's trying to connect to my Wi-Fi network. Okay, so now that it's connected to my Wi-Fi, it's asking me to enter my account information. So after I enter my sign-in information, username and password, now it's asking me to verify my device. So I got to go to my computer and sign into my Amazon account and enter the code that it displays on the screen. So after verifying the device to my account, it gave me a welcome screen with my name and all that stuff. And then it asked me what time zone I want to assign it to. And then it asked me if I want to add it to a group. And I skipped that part. So now it's giving me the option to give this device a name. So after giving the device a name, now it's asking me to do some updates, which according to it will probably take up to 10 minutes.
As I install the updates, this device will restart twice.
So as it's doing those updates, I guess I can say that this setup procedure of the Echo Show is different from the regular Echo device. Normally you go into the app and you connect it to the Wi-Fi and then it's all good. So with this Echo Show 5, you go to a whole different setup procedure. You don't use the app on your phone like you do the regular Echo devices. You do everything on the screen, enter your password, connect it to the Wi-Fi. You sign in with your Amazon account, username and password, and then you have to verify the device to your account. So those are the setup procedures you have to go to set up this Echo Show 5. So prepare yourself to go through those steps and prepare to wait a little longer because you'd have to get those updates that it says that it needs to install.
I'm back. Let's continue.
So the update says finished. It didn't take 10 minutes like it said, but I guess they give you that time frame just to prepare you that it might take more or less time. So now that's back to the home screen and it's asking me to play this intro video. So let's go ahead and play that video.
Hi, we're glad you're here. It's time to get you and your Echo Show 5 off and running. Here are 3 things to try first. Number 1, use your voice. You could say something like, Alexa, play happy music.
Okay, here's a station you might like. 80s pop on Amazon Music.
Number 2, try using the touchscreen. Number 3, choose your perfect clock face. To get started, say, Alexa, customize my clock. This is just the beginning of things you can do with your Echo Show 5. For more things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? Welcome to your new Echo Show 5.
Okay, so the setup procedure is complete and it's a totally different setup procedure from the Echo device. If you never had an Echo Show before, which this is my first Echo Show because I skipped the Gen 1 and I skipped the Gen 2, and this smaller one is good for me because this is going right at my nightstand. Now as far as the sound goes, to me it sounds more like the 3rd generation Echo Dot. So my opinion on this device, that Amazon made this for small areas. If you had a cubicle and you want to listen to music at a decent level, or in your bedroom, you don't want all that booming sound in there. You just want something playing in the background and you can still use it as an alarm clock and get basic information right there on the screen. Now during the Christmas season, I decided I was going to get the Fire TV tablet and then get the Show Dock to like mimic what the Echo Show can do. I didn't really like that setup that much, and with the Fire TV tab keep dying on me so fast that I decided I'm going to scrap that. Okay, so there's one more thing I want to introduce you to before I end this video, and it has to do with the Echo Show, and that is I got the Echo Show stand. So this stand is going to elevate the Echo Show, and you can do some tilting and stuff like that. So let me take it out the wrapper and hook it up right now. So there it is right there. It has, like I said, the tilt factor, so I can tilt it back and forth, as you can see. So this bump that you see on top is to match the bottom of the Echo device right here. So all I have to do is just put it up, line it up, and it just automatically stick to it. It's like magnetic. So now I can tilt the Echo Show 5 in these different angles at a certain degree. So if you decide you want to get this Echo Show 5, it comes in two colors, you know, the white and the black. And the stand, that's optional, you know, it's not included, comes in two colors to match the Echo device. Or if you want to mix it up, you can get a white stand and a black Echo Show, or vice versa. So there you have it. That's the new Echo Show 5. I went over the setup procedure because I want to prepare you for what you have to deal with if you decide to go with this device, especially if you never had an Echo Show device before, because this is my first Echo Show and this is my first experience. And I'm just sharing my experience with you so you can be prepared for what you have to face if you decide to go with one of these devices. Okay, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. There will be more upcoming videos of this Echo Show 5 because I want to dig a little deeper into it to see all the settings and all the other features that it provides. If you're interested in that, stay tuned to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Have a good one.